In this video, you'll learn how to import contacts into Pipedrive in just a few minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to prepare your file, and how to properly map your data so your CRM stays clean, organized, and easy to use. Start by opening Pipedrive and navigating to the Contacts section from the left-hand sidebar. This will take you to your list of people in organizations. At the top of the contacts list, locate the Add Person button. Next to it, you'll see a small drop-down arrow icon. Click this arrow to reveal additional options, then select Import Data. This will open Pipedrive's import interface, where you can upload and configure your contact file. Before uploading anything, click on the option to download the template file. This template is important because it provides the exact structure Pipedrive expects for a successful import. Open the template and begin aligning your data to match its columns. Common fields include first name, last name, organization, email, and phone number. Make sure each contact is placed on its own row and keep column headers unchanged. Use consistent formatting across your data, for example, standardized email formats, consistent phone numbers, and properly separated names. If your spreadsheet contains extra columns that aren't needed, it's best to remove them or leave them out to keep the import process simple. Once your file is ready, save it in a supported format, such as CSV or XLSX. Next, return to the import screen in Pipedrive and upload your file. After uploading, you'll enter the mapping step, where you match your file's columns to Pipedrive's fields. On the left side, you'll see the column names from your file. On the right side, select the corresponding Pipedrive fields. For example, map email to email, phone to phone, and organization to organization. This step is important because it ensures your data is stored correctly in the system. If Pipedrive doesn't automatically recognize a column, you can manually map it to the correct field or leave it unmapped if it isn't needed. Pipedrive will process your file and your contacts will appear in your contacts list, properly organized and ready to use. By following this process, you'll ensure your data is clean, correctly structured, and fully usable inside Pipedrive.